Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Yasvi. So as you all know that today is English language day, so today I think of making the video for the importance of English language in the today's world. Language. So language is our primary source of communication. It is a method through which we share our ideas and thoughts with each other. There are thousands of languages in this world. Countries have their own national language in addition to a variety of local languages spoken and understood by their people in different regions. Some languages are spoken by millions of people, others only by a few thousands. English language. Nowadays, English has been an important role in our daily life. It is a massive means of communication. Learning to speak English well may be the best way to improve our life. English is spoken in more than 100 countries. Education. English is also essential into the field of education. In many countries, children are encouraged to learn English as a second language, even in countries where it is not official language. At university level, students in many countries study almost all their subjects in English in order to make the material more accessible to international students. The internet and press. On the internet, the majority of websites are written and created in English. Even sites in other language often give the opinion to translate the site. It's a primary language of the press. More newspaper and books are written in English than in any other language. No matter where is the world you are, you will find some of the books and newspaper available. In fact, because it is dominated and internationally communication, you will find some information regarding nearly every subject if you can speak this language. English is the key to success. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated with my upcoming video, and do like and share my videos.